Welcome to the world's most advanced onion processing plant. Every single shipment is weighed with absolute digital precision. Thousands of fresh onions arrive daily at our loading docks. The transformation begins as raw onions enter the processing pit. Vibrant red onions fall into our high-capacity holding bays. Speed and efficiency drive our automated belt sorting systems. Sunlight hits the harvest as it enters the main factory. Our packaged goods move seamlessly through high-tech security zones. The sheer scale of our operation is truly breathtaking today. We start with the highest quality raw ingredients available. Heavy machinery handles the bulk movement across the warehouse. Onions are transferred into specialized racks for initial sorting. A vibrating screen removes loose dirt and organic debris. Advanced sensors detect and remove any unwanted heavy stones. Vertical lifts carry the harvest to the processing floors. Every onion is spread out for a thorough visual check.
This one looks perfect, Marcus.
Yes, I agree. Firm and our expert technicians ensure only the best make the cut. Imperfections are removed by hand to maintain premium standards. Neon lasers identify and categorize every single piece instantly. High-tech lasers scan for internal quality and consistent size. A powerful burst of air rejects any substandard onions. Perfectly peeled white onions fall onto the final line. Fresh onions are fed into the industrial shredding system. Fast-spinning rollers loosen the outer skins before the wash. White onions dance across the belt at high velocity. A turbulent water bath provides a deep, thorough cleaning. Sunlight pierces through as we cleanse the purple harvest. Soapy foam ensures every surface is completely sanitized now. Rotating drums separate the onions from any remaining scraps. High-pressure mist blasts away the final layers of dirt. Mechanical brushes scrub the onions to a perfect shine. A cascading waterfall of onions enters the rinsing station.
The moisture levels are perfect.
Agreed, and the size uniformity is excellent. Our team approves the batch for the next stage. The difference in quality is clear in every batch. Multi-lane systems sort the onions by their exact size.
Precision blades slice the onions into uniform thin rings.
Industrial blenders chop the onions into small, perfect pieces. We test every batch to ensure the perfect crunch. Onion slices are spread evenly for the drying stage. Sophisticated sensors scan the slices for absolute purity today. Robotic precision removes every single discolored slice instantly now. The slices enter the drying tunnel to remove moisture. Careful manual arrangement ensures even drying for every batch. Intense flames provide the heat needed for perfect dehydration. Powerful heat lamps toast the onions to a golden hue. Slowly, the onions turn into crispy, golden brown snacks. Dehydrated flakes fall through the multi-stage heating elements now. A golden river of rings flows onto the cooling belt. Giant fans circulate hot air to finish the process. Precision roasting brings out the richest onion flavors imaginable today.
Watch as the rings sizzle to a perfect golden brown.
We peel back the layers to reveal our pure quality. Monitoring moisture levels ensures the longest shelf life possible now. Bright lights reveal the perfect texture of our dried flakes. Isha measures every chip for consistent and premium quality standards. Crispy pieces are funneled into the high-speed grinding mill now. Screw conveyors move the flakes into massive storage silos efficiently. Our hammer mill creates a fine and aromatic onion powder. Automated sifting removes large clumps for a smooth powder texture. Fine onion powder pours into the industrial mixing vat today. Batches are blended together for a perfectly uniform taste profile. Precision nozzles fill the drums with fresh onion seasoning now.
Hand sifting reveals the smooth and consistent powder texture here.
Heavy industrial mills mix the powder to absolute perfection today. Robotic arms take samples for our strict quality control tests. Pneumatic tubes transport the powder across the entire facility now. Massive stainless silos store our premium onion powder very securely.
Aisha weighs every sample with absolute laboratory precision today.
Advanced analysis machines verify the perfect moisture content right now. Microscopic inspection reveals the pure crystalline structure of our powder.
Every batch is documented in our professional quality logbook daily.
We compare the color to ensure a perfect match always.
The official stamp of approval guarantees our very high standards. Clear bottles race down the dual-track bottling line now. Multi-head fillers inject precise amounts into every single jar. Automated machines press red lids onto our premium spice jars. Sensors check every bottle to ensure the perfect fill level. Mechanical arms apply our premium labels with incredible speed today. Our premium onion powder is finally ready for your kitchen. Laser printers mark each jar with vital tracking codes now. X-ray inspection detects and rejects any unwanted foreign objects instantly. Vacuum grippers pack the jars into their shipping boxes efficiently. The automated system seals every box with industrial packing tape. Shipping barcodes are applied for fast and global delivery tracking. Large robotic arms stack the boxes with extreme precision today. Pallets are wrapped tightly in protective clear stretch film now. Marcus carefully lifts the finished pallets into the warehouse today. Our massive warehouse stores products ready for global shipping now. We load our products into containers for international transport daily. Security seals are snapped into place for safe travel always. Our blue trucks head out to deliver fresh flavor everywhere.
Our products reach store shelves across the entire country today.
The current first gift is your fire day, or Ben Tree will look for the QTables in this they do a washing machine. That's line not to the
Premium onion powder is a staple in every healthy kitchen.
Peel the seal to reveal the fresh aromatic spice inside.
Sprinkle some flavor onto your favorite roasted vegetable dishes now.
A spoonful adds deep savory notes to any sauce today.
Cleanliness and safety are our top priorities every single day. Bringing the finest onion flavor from our home to yours.